Okay, so this is Prairie Fire. It might be little, tiny little ornamental ones, but they're like 70,000 on the Scoville scale. That's hence why it's called fire.
They're saying they have a hard punch at first.
Hits
So
you
they
right
start
away.
almost instantly. Be really hot.
Yeah. We're trying this for Bethany because her friend Steven is the one who sent us the seeds for this guy. I don't know if there's any seeds in it. If there are, we need to save them, unfortunately. So
They are.
there are. Oh, cool.
You can tell it will be hot.
Uh-oh. Yeah.
Yeah. I got just a small part.
Uh-oh.
Let's see. It tastes a bit like a yellow bell pepper. But it tastes like spiciness.
Just straight up
Usual.
spice.
Yeah. Do you want to try?
Yeah.
Then I'll try to get the seeds.
Yeah. I'm gonna have to. Let's see. Do I just bite the tip off or something?
Yeah, even if there's seeds, eat them because it's just baby. Just eat it.
Yeah. Ooh, yeah. It hits you right away. It burns.
And there's juices, so it's really hot all in my throat right now.
Ooh. Yeah, this thing packs a punch, man.
Yeah.
They're not joking. It burns a lot initially, and then it goes like back.
Yeah, it's all in the back right now for me.
Yeah, it was on the tip where I bit at first and really went like.
It's in my throat.
But then it moved back, and now it burns just in the back. They're pretty good though.
Yeah.
I mean, it's definitely, you can withstand it easily. It's just that it comes so quickly, like starts burning right away. Pretty neat. Yeah.
Okay.
So we wanted to continue on about the Prairie Fire because in the video I basically ate just the tip. And the closer I got to the actual top, initially, what I noticed immediately was that it tasted very like a strong flowery taste. That's the flavor. Really good. But then, ooh, it started burning, like really burning. So this thing is super hot. I don't know.
It's 70,000.
I think it's hotter than that, man.
Mm.
But it's really juicy too, so that might be why. But let's see. Mikhail will continue eating a bit near the top. Yeah.
Mm. I ate a couple seeds. It was really bad. The spiciness. I just had a small piece left. But
like I had.
will you eat this?
Right, yeah. I mean, it's definitely burning, but so far I haven't like burped from it, or my nose is still
Yeah,
fairly
a lot
okay,
of mucus.
but it definitely burned. Whew. like
Yeah.
dragon. So I'll probably just continue eating it slowly. But yeah, that's all I really wanted to say. But man, if you want a little tiny pepper that tastes still nice and floury but is super hot, Prairie Fire is the way to go.
When I cough or anything, the spiciness comes back up.
Mm-hmm. I bet. Oh, now my nose is running a little. Took a while. But yeah.
Anyway,
Yeah.
and it.